Welcome to the demonstration of multicams in AVA360 VR. Now, as researchers using audiovisual material, you might collect data in many different settings, and you will be using different cameras to collect the data. In the Bigsoft video team, we have been experimenting with collecting data with many different cameras over the years, and this LEGO demo project is one of these events. In this scene, you will see that we have many different 360 cameras. We have one right here, we have one on the table. The instructor is also carrying around a 360 camera, and there's a 360 camera behind these boards. We have 2D cameras, and so on and so on. Also, we are standing right in a 360 camera in the middle of the scene, so we have an overview of the entire scene, and then we can jump between these different cameras. Now, compared to traditional audiovisual editors, you would have to stitch the video together, bringing it all into a composite video that would be frozen, so to speak. So you would put all the videos into your preferred video editor, and then you would make a frozen copy of the entire scene with all the different cameras and audio channels and so on. But in AVA360 VR, we have prioritized that you can bring in different video resources and also audio resources in a very flexible and sophisticated manner. So in this demonstration, I will show you how to bring in different resources so you will be able to take up the perspective that is most suited for your analysis in that current position. Because as you can imagine, as we will see in a minute, the runner from this group will run behind these boards to see how they should build a Lego figure. Then she will return to the fellow group members and she will instruct them in how to build this figure. So some of the information or action is actually hidden from us if we cannot obtain the perspective from behind these boards. Now, I have prepared everything in advance, so I will not be bringing up the import window to import the videos directly in the scene, because they are already animated directly into the main 360 scene, so they will appear as I play the video and go along. So the only thing that I have available at the moment is the timeline, and we will just see the video, and we will see that the runner will return to the other end of the room. So let's go ahead and view the first couple of seconds to see what is going on.
Så når jeg siger go, så starter vi. Er I klar? 3, 2, 1, go!
Great. So as I just explained, everything that we see from this perspective will not be we will not be able to see what is going on behind these boards. But as you have just seen, a new minisphere popped up. I have animated this into the video. I strongly recommend that you go and watch the animation tutorial to see how this is done. And instead of us being excluded from the action going on, we can now jump directly into that position. And if I turn around, you will see that she's just around the corner, and she will now be entering the space where she will see how the Lego figure should look like. And we can play the video again. And you can see how she's studying the Lego figure, taking up different positions in order to see how that should be constructed. And now she will leave again. And we are again left in the corner without being able to see what she will now do. So right in front of us, I have again the main 360 scene, and we can jump into that. And now that you see that she's starting to run again, she has just exited that part of the room, and you can see she's running to the other end. And again, now we have some information and actions that we cannot see, and we will need to take up another position in order to perform our analysis. Otherwise, the action will simply be covered for us. So, right here in front of us, we have a new minisphere that we can take the position of on the table, and we will jump into that. And here you see we have exactly what we need in order to study this situation. We have the 3 participants that are working on the Lego model, and we can see what is going on from this perspective, right on the table. And you can see how she's instructing the others. And just to make it even more nice, we can include other videos inside this 360 video. So here we have the 2D video taken just from around this corner here. So we can also obtain that position, and it will sync together. So we can see how they are constructing the Lego figure together. And there was some uncertainty about how to build the Lego figure, and she left the group in order to see how she should construct the Lego figure again. And I will just be going directly into the main 360 scene again. And now we can see she's behind the sheltered boards, and they are starting to organize the Lego blocks in the correct manner. So with AVA360 VR, you are able to import and work with your videos in a flexible manner. You can pull them up and bring them into your main 360 scene. As I have done in this video demonstration, you can animate the different videos to pop up in certain places. You can even add animations so they will follow along in your field of view. And by doing that, you are able to obtain the most relevant position for your analysis. We could jump between all the 360 cameras in this space in order to see what is going on in these particular moments in time, to study interaction where it is taking place. Hopefully this demonstration video have given you a clue about how to work with multicams in AVA360 VR. We strongly recommend that you download the Lego demo package and try working with multicams on your own. Enjoy.